Do you ever feel like you're stuck? Like no matter how hard you try, your life isn't moving forward? You wake up, do the same things, feel the same thoughts, and deep down you wonder, when will something finally change? The truth is, change doesn't start with what's around you, it starts with what's within you. Here's why you're not moving forward. First, you wait for motivation instead of building discipline. Motivation comes and goes. But discipline? That's the real game changer. You don't need to feel like doing something, you just need to do it. Second, you overthink everything. You want it to be perfect before you start. You want the plan, the money, the energy, the right time. But honestly, perfection is the enemy of progress. Start now, adjust as you go. Third, you're carrying the weight of your past. Regret, shame, failure, they don't define you. Your past is not a life sentence, it's a lesson. Learn from it. Forgive yourself. Move forward. You keep comparing your journey. Someone else's chapter 20 isn't your chapter 1. Stop scrolling and start building. Every second you spend comparing is a second you could spend improving. You don't believe in yourself enough. You've survived so much already. You're stronger than you think. Start acting like the version of you dream about. The world is waiting. If you're hearing this right now, it's not by accident. This is your sign. Start small. Wake up 10 minutes earlier, read one page, write down your thoughts. Choose better. Speak kindly to yourself. Keep going, even if it's slow. You're not stuck. You're just early in your journey. This is your time to rise. Let your beautiful mind guide you. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to Beautiful Mind for more content that speaks to your soul. Remember, growth begins in the mind.